Want to do product photography, but you don't have any money for professional lights? Today I'm going to try out this $20 shop light to see if you can do product photography on a budget. Hi guys, Kyle here, and I'm Iowa's photographer. Now, photography can be a very expensive hobby, and if you're not planning on doing it professionally, there's no reason to spend hundreds if not thousands of dollars on expensive lighting equipment. But that doesn't mean you can't test out different styles of photography. I recommend everyone trying out landscape, portrait, wildlife. Who knows, you might find that you have a passion for a certain style of photography. With product photography, you need very little when getting started. All you really need is a table, a wall, a light, and a camera. I cleared off one of my tables and got my lights ready. I bought 3 commercial electric 2-foot LED strip lights. You should be able to pick this up at any hardware store. Turning the lights on, I could immediately tell that these lights were going to be bright enough for what I needed them for. I made an L shape with the 2 attached lights and propped the backlight on the chair in the background. Looking around my house, I thought it would be fun to photograph this King Tut bust. I'll use the 3 lights as a key light, a fill light, and a backlight. Now the first photo I took was with the LED lights laying in an L shape on the table. As you can see, the lights are a little too harsh for my liking. And since they're just laying on the table, it feels like there was no thought put into the lighting. This was easily corrected on my second photo, where I picked up the fill light and moved it above the statue and held it at a 70-degree angle. Look at how that simple fix dramatically improved the photo. As you can see, moving the lights around completely changes where your eyes gravitate towards. So far the shop lights are working out very well, but how would it work up against a bottle of alcohol? I used the same exact lighting setup as I did before. I laid the lights down in an L shape and placed the bottle of alcohol in the middle. I then put the backlight up against the wall in the background. The front light, known as the key light, will highlight the label and some of the unique shapes on the front of the bottle. The light directly behind the bottle, known as the fill light, will illuminate the rum, making the colors really pop. And lastly, the backlight will be used to add a highlight around the neck of the bottle. On my first shot, I was super happy with how evenly lit the image was. The colors looked rich and the image was super sharp. Moving the camera slightly, I adjusted about 2 feet to the right to get a side shot. I kept the lighting the same to see what effects this would have on the image. As you can see, the key light is doing a phenomenal job with making a unique highlight around the label, while the backlight is creating a nice separation to the bottle and the background. Just to be clear, all the photos I'm showing you are straight out of the camera, no color correction or sharpening added. I'm just blown away by how good these $20 lights did. If I was a beginner and I didn't have enough money for a flash, I would have no problem using these just to get me started. I would love to see what you guys can come up with. Tag me on Instagram at Iowa's Photographer. Thanks for watching, we'll see you next time.